хорошо.
Пожалуйста.
Пожалуйста, перестань кашлять. Да, не кашляй.
Today's phrase in Russian is Перестань кашлять, пожалуйста. In English, this means stop coughing, please. I found this phrase very difficult to remember. Let's take the first word, Перестань. I heard this word as Перестань because in English we don't have the sound ir, but we have something similar to like very. But after a while I could hear that it was Перестань and not Перестань. The word kashlit, I repeated it many times, but I couldn't remember it. So I use a strategy when I'm trying to remember words that I find very difficult to remember. So I split kashlit into two words. Cash
Нет денег.
and lit as in light. This room is lit. So when I do forget, I think of cash, I think of light, and I remember kashlit.
Перестань кашлять. 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 Перестань кашлять.
Kashlet.
Кашлять.
Okay, it's not lit, it's lit.
Перестань кашлять.
Kashlit. That is today's phrase in Russian.
Перестань говорить. Пока.
Пока.